Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to automatically share your Instagram story to your Facebook account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Facebook. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider from the top. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon, this setting icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on see more in account center. So it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on sharing across profiles. The next thing you need to do is to click on your Instagram account. Then right here, what you need to do is to simply turn on this button. So with that, each time you are posting Instagram story to your Instagram account, it will automatically share to your Facebook account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to automatically share your Instagram story post to your Facebook account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.